Introducing Delcor's latest addition to our case packing lineup, the HSP series. This new high-speed case packer can handle pouches, cartons, or rigid containers at speeds up to 340 products per minute and pack them into standard brown box shippers, shelf-ready Cabrio case display packages, or even large format club store style stackable trays. In this video, you're going to learn why the HSP series is the best solution for your high-speed packaging application. Through the elimination of collation chains and mechanical pushers typically associated with high-speed case packing, Delcor's HSP series is a vision-based case packer that incorporates simple toolless changeover and touchscreen-based changeover checklists to enable users to convert in just 5 minutes. The vision-based infeed easily accepts skewed or misaligned products and packs them perfectly into cases. High-speed case packing deserves precise case control. With our servo-driven case shuttle and our flap control devices, we can ensure that your product is perfectly packed. Delcor frequently hosts customer tours of our new state-of-the-art 300,000 square foot manufacturing campus in Minneapolis, Minnesota. If you have interest, please contact Dan Altman, Delcor's VP of Sales at 763-234-8058. Thank you.